What's up, everyone? Welcome to Forever Rich DeFi, where I give you step-by-step instructions to deploy yield earning strategies I have employed so that you can become rich forever. Today, I am going to show you how to earn between 5 and 15% on the FLR in your wallet. If that sounds valuable, go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. Let's get it. Okay, guys, so the first thing you're going to do is go onto whatever your on ramp is. For me, it's Coinbase, and buy some Flare. I've already made the purchase. And you're going to go to send crypto, right? To go to the to the Flare network portal. And you're going to see right here, you're going to copy this address. That's right here, the main account address. Copy. You go back here, you're going to right click, paste. Boom. Gonna go to max. You're gonna send it now. Now you just wait for your tokens here. This should usually be a quick send, but I have tokens here, so we will continue. Now from here, my friends, this is where the magic happens. The as you can see, this is just your flare balance. So please remember that flare is a gas token slash store of value. So it's just like XRP, it's just like BTC. It just has one function, and that's it. It's a gas token and a store of value. That's a store of value. So we need to wrap it in order to give it DeFi capability. So you go to wrap, and we're going to just wrap 50%. Remember, you need gas, so you never wrap everything. And now I use my favorite wallet, which is a Bifrost wallet. And what I love about the Bifrost wallet is that you have to approve everything on your phone. So everything is protected under your keys. So the next tutorial will be on the Bifrost wallet, so you have everything set up so you can do this. Close. So there it goes. I just approved it on my phone. There you go. Now I've wrapped 138.71 Flare. Now we are going to delegate, which is very simple. You just come here and delegate. Now to delegate, you're going to get between, maybe like between 5 to 9%. It'll depend. We're going to see right now, and there are no lockup periods. That's what's good about delegating. Because if let's say you need the money or you need something or whatever, life, boom, you change it, exchange it back, and get it back right away. You want delegate and done. So we're going to put 50 and 50. See, you're going to pick two. And all right, I click the APY here. Ooh, and send 10.28. That sounds good to me. Now, we're not just going to give it to them. There is a way to check that Nansen is active. So you're going to copy that, and then you're going to go to the Flare Mainnet Explorer. Here you're going to paste Nansen. In order to get your delegation. And click here on FTSO. And this guy looks pretty, yeah. Nansen looks pretty good. They are These are the rewards, and then they give you part of those rewards for them providing data to the FTSO. So that's how you get your rewards. You're helping them to do it and gain votes by delegating your Flare tokens to them. Now we go back over here because we got to check the second one as well. We like to do our due diligence here. Copy. All right, that was us right here to FTSO, everything. Again, pretty good numbers, availability 99. This is almost perfect, and he gets very nice rewards, and that's what they're going to give you. So you just make sure that they are active, and you hope that they continue to be, so that you continue earning those rewards. So you go back to the portal, and now, as you can see, I did 50-50 just in case, and or yeah, listen, let's do 75. I like to earn that 10%, 9% or 25, just in case. But I believe Nansen, he's been up like 99% the whole most of the time. So I think he'll be up. Press submit. Again, all transactions get approved on your phone. Make sure it says that correctly, as you can see here. It says Nansen, all your fees. You make sure you look everything over, guys. Don't just get into the habit of, you know, just approving things. Get used to reading, making sure everything is correct. Okay, so delegated. Now I'm earning 10% on 104 or 9 and change% on 25. I mean, I call that a win-win in my book. I don't know anybody else giving you 9 and 10%. There are other options on the player network, which is awesome, but this is just the simplest one, and you should take advantage of it for the stuff the stuff that's in your wallet. And all you gotta do is come here to the token, to the Flare portal and do it. Now we're gonna go to the delegation account, right? And what's great about the delegation account is that it keeps your rewards separate from your tokens, so you know what you're getting. This is where all of your reward points will be stored, in siloed. Of course, for tax purposes. And once you move them from here, they will go to your main account, and they're available on block and everything. So it's just a different account, and it helps you keep everything. So yes, we're going to enable again. Everything is a transaction. That's what I love it. All to my wallet. Everything's protected. So I love Bifrost. I'm old school like that. I like keeping everything under lock and key, under my keys and under my passwords. So oh, all right. So that's my address now, my account address for my delegation account. Now I can deposit wrap flare here, so then I can delegate to the FTSO over here. Now, this is the thing about delegating to the FTSO, staking to the FTSOs. You got to remember that if you need 50,000 flare minimum, and it's for a minimum of 14 days. So keep that in mind. It's a minute for a minimum of 14 days. I have my stuff staked in my normal account. This is just a spoof account that I made for, to show you how to do this. Okay, so now that you have successfully delegated your tokens for some yield, 10%, that's pretty good, I gotta say. And we're gonna go to our delegation account tab. In this tab, like it depends on what you want to do. I mean, I like enabling, as you can see here, the delegation account, because it allows me a place where I can see all of my rewards where they go, and I like to make sure that they are being accumulated and everything, and I want to make sure I can see what the yield is and that the yield is correct. So we enable this. You go to enable again, everything through your phone, and you get an account. Delegation account. Now, the beautiful thing about this here is that you can also delegate from here. So you do the same thing. Now you go to the delegate. I'm going to pick the same tool. Oh, yes, it's still available. 10%. 10% is really good. So you got to jump on those when you get them. It's an opportunity. And 9%. Again, I'm going to do 75. And then every time, submit, just like before. We're going to put it on our phone. So now every time you collect your also immediately setting it up to get rewards. So it's a it's a gift that keeps on giving, you could say. We're going to talk about staking. So we go to the staking tab right up here. And as you can see, it's almost the same setup. They did everything, kept everything really simple so that the audience can get what they have to get done. And this is now your staking address. And see, this is how this works. Two things. One, there's a time lock. The minimum 14 days, and there's a minimum amount, 50,000 flare. But as you can see, as you will see, let's go to stake, right? And we're going to see, whatever. I'm not, I can't, you can't even transfer in unless it's a 50,000 flare, which is fine. Hey, listen, it's good. You're going to see why it's worth it because you look at the validators and look, you're going to get 14% right now, 14.75, almost 15% for juicy nodes. All right. Interesting name. And then you got to pick until when. My stake is I have it forever on my other account. So for you, it depends, I do log on occasionally to check because the percentages do change on delegation and on staking. So you want to make sure that the staking is still juicy enough for you to keep it. If not, all you do is come back, hit the pen, redelegate to somebody else. It's going to give you a good, select. And now again, gotta do our due diligence here. We highlight it, we copy, and we are going to paste it right here for to check. We got to make sure that they're active. There's a lot of nodes that aren't active, and you don't want to waste your time. You want your yield. The juicy nodes that has everything straight. And yeah, and he's got good numbers, and these are his rewards. And that's what he's splitting with you, which is awesome. And well, that's his, success rate and all that. So I think he will. I think it's going to work out. So then you just press stake, and it will stake it for you. And for that time being, so if you set up from the account page, the executor that collects that as well. So it takes care of everything, and it sends it right to the delegation account for you, where you're going to get on top of those rewards, you're going to get these rewards as well. And for the staking, you get those rewards every 2 weeks. So as you can see, you're always getting rewarded for providing and to the Flare ecosystem. That is it for today. I hope that you found the information valuable. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, turn on all the notifications. My next video will be on the Bifrost wallet so that you guys can, I will provide the links below so you can download it. Again, store your keys and your password in a safe place. Remember, this is not your bank account. Do not give divulge that information to anyone. I don't care what they ask. If they ask for that, they're a scammer. Keep safe, stay informed.